how to connect Steam to PS5. So here's how it works. This is gonna vary from game to game, and you will need to know the creator of the game which you are trying to integrate Steam with PS5. So basically, if a game is from Electronic Arts and you are trying to play it on both Steam and on PS5, then what you have to do is log into that specific website. Like I said, if it's for EA, you will go search for EA.com, sign into your account, then you will need to click on your profile icon in the top right and go into account settings. Now from the left hand side, you will see connected accounts, and right here it is gonna say linked, and you will see the option to connect to Steam. So basically you just click on it, and then it is gonna ask you to authenticate the connection. Once you authenticate it, it is gonna become linked, and then that way you will have essentially connected Steam to PlayStation 5. But again, like I said, it is gonna depend on the different platforms and the creator of the game. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.